The concept of viral marketing has been around for about 10 years now and is based on the idea that a satisfied customer will tell an average of 3 people about a product or service that they love. Harnessing the power of word of mouth has always been the Holy Grail for marketers, and one of the easiest ways you can start some viral momentum of your own is by creating a viral PDF for distribution. In this lesson, we'll take a look at creating a buzz with viral PDFs. A viral PDF is a document containing valuable information on a particular topic that is created for the purpose of being distributed around the internet for free. In doing so, affiliates are able to rebrand the PDF with their own affiliate links so that they can earn money when people read the document, click on the links, and make a purchase. Good viral PDFs can reach thousands of people and prove to be very lucrative to both the creator and the affiliates who help to spread it. Here's 3 ways to use a viral PDF. Find viral PDFs and give them away to your list or via your website. Earn commissions by rebranding the links inside the PDF with your own affiliate link. Find viral PDFs and use them as free bonuses to create more incentive for people to purchase the product that you're promoting. And create your own viral PDFs and give them away. Brand half the links with your affiliate URL and allow other people to rebrand the remaining ones with their own links. You could approach other website owners and encourage them to brand and give away your report so that you can both earn money from it. There are 3 alternatives on the market that we recommend for easy and professional viral PDF creation. The Viral PDF ebook creator incorporates 2 small software programs that help you professionally rebrand and distribute your ebooks. When you give your PDF to affiliates, make sure you also give them the Small Brander program. This makes it easy for others to rebrand with their own affiliate links. This product also features the ability to add unlimited, rebrandable links into your documents, the ability to set an expiration date on your PDF files, assistance with putting your PDF ebooks on your website so that search engines like Google and MSN can index them, and the ability to insert catch-all tags. If your affiliate skips a link within the ebook, it will be automatically rebranded with your own ID to ensure that no sales opportunities are lost. Affiliate PDF Brander is simple software that produces a special brander file for each viral PDF you create. It works by scanning all the links and then prompting you to decide what you want to do with each one. The software will then produce a brander file, which you distribute along with your PDF. When your affiliates download your PDF, they can then just go through and use the branding package to fill in their details one item at a time. Butterfly Reports is the best viral PDF tool available for anyone truly serious about this marketing method. Not only does Butterfly Reports allow you to create brander files similar to the previous 2 applications we've just looked at, it also contains a marketplace of viral PDFs that is frequently browsed by other affiliates and product owners. The marketplace is immensely valuable because it saves you the effort of finding people to distribute your viral PDF. You just place your report in the marketplace and other people can grab it and begin distributing it. Affiliates can rebrand up to 25% of your links if they are a Silver Butterfly Reports member, which is free. 75% of your links if they're a Gold member, which actually costs $27 a month, or 100% of the links if they're a Platinum member, which is $197 a month. If you wish to use any of the other reports in the marketplace, then you can do this by rebranding and promoting these reports to your list or using them as free bonuses. There are tons of other advantages of Platinum membership, including a new landing page generation system that will work with Aweber and GetResponse. The Butterfly Reports marketplace is accessible via the search engines, and author profiles contain a link back to the author's site. And time for today's lesson summary. In this lesson, we've looked at the concept of using PDFs to create hype and boost your profits. 3 ways we looked at using a PDF included giving viral PDFs away to your list, using PDFs as a bonus, creating your own PDFs and giving them away. We also looked at 3 ways you can create viral PDFs, including Viral PDF ebook creator, Affiliate PDF rebrander, and Butterfly Reports. And that's all we've got time for today. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye for now.